and welcome back to the channel. If this is your very first time being here, you are most welcomed. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I talk about natural hair, natural beauty and wellness tips. So if this interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing community we are building here. So today's video is to share with you 3 places you can actually buy your natural ingredients for your natural hair and natural skincare DIYs. I mean, ingredients you need to make your natural products at home. And these places are accessible. Like, I'm going to share places you can easily buy ingredients from, and I'm also going to be giving you a bonus tip at the end, and that will be mentioning names of places and locations you can buy this ingredient from. So continue watching this video till the end so you get all of the tips I'm going to be sharing in this video, because you're going to find them very helpful. So number 1 place to buy your ingredient from is actually from Instagram. Now, why Instagram? This is because Instagram algorithm has a way of showcasing to us vendors within our location. That is to say, if I search for a botanical herb, for instance, Instagram is likely to show me vendors within my location, and when I buy from these vendors, at least to an extent, I'm going to be reducing the cost of delivery compared to when I buy outside my location. So I personally buy from Instagram. I buy my herbs such as my moringa powder, my aloe vera powder, my sandalwood powder. A good number of them, I get them from Instagram. I buy my oils. A good number of my oils such as rosehip oil, hemp seed oil, I get them from Instagram. I get also my emulsifiers such as my e-wax, my BTMS 50, and all of that, I get them from Instagram. Now, so I'm talking about Instagram because it is easy for you to assess and verify a competent vendor compared to other social media. Maybe in my opinion, because when you take your time, go through a vendor's page, you'll be able to know if they are actually doing what they are saying. So I'm going to be sharing with you also links to some of these Instagram suppliers that I've actually gotten from. I've actually bought an ingredient from, and they have delivered quality. So if you're interested in buying from Instagram, especially if you're in Nigeria, let me know so I can share some of these vendors' handle, especially the ones I've used, I have tested, and to an extent I can say I trust them. I will be sharing their handles in the comment section with you if you're interested. The second place to buy your ingredients from is from international stores. When I say international stores, I mean Amazon and AliExpress. I know there are quite a lot of international stores out there. I haven't accessed them, I haven't used them, but I have used these 2 that I've mentioned, AliExpress and Amazon. And I am mentioning 2 of them because I have understood that they also deliver to almost every part of the world. So I'm talking about Amazon and AliExpress because I have personally ordered from them. I've ordered mango butter, activated charcoal, hyaluronic acid, mango butter, and a good number of other herbs and ingredients, and they actually delivered quality, and you also get to choose your method of delivery. So I actually buy from them when I can't access the ingredients around me easily, or I notice that it is more affordable buying from them, and then I go ahead to order. Third place is actually my local stores and markets. Local markets around me, local stores around me, they are the third place. Now, So I usually get this question most of the time in my comment section asking where to buy ingredients from. And my best recommendation is the local stores and local markets around you. You can buy locally made or herbal products from the market and stores around you. Just take a look at this store. This kind of store is actually replicated in almost all markets in Nigeria, and I believe it is also replicated in some markets in other African countries. And From this kind of stores, you can buy locally made products. I mean, products that are originally made either in Nigeria or Africa. I mean, other African countries. Ingredients such as shea butter, African black soap, camwood, cocoa butter, just to mention a few, are kind of ingredients you can get from this kind of stores. Like, they literally sell all these ingredients in their raw form. But when it comes to other ingredients that are not locally made or that are not manufactured here in Africa, then you can source them from vendors on Instagram or on the international stores I shared with you. So this is the kind of place you can get basic ingredients you need to make your own DIYs, whether you're making DIYs on hair products or skincare. You can actually get ingredients at their raw state here. Take for instance, this woman here is cutting this shea butter, and this is unrefined shea butter. This is shea butter in its raw state. But if you're looking for refined shea butter, you may not get it in this kind of store, so you have to source from online vendors. And if you're looking for herbs and spices such as cloves, rosemary, black seed, fenugreek, flaxseed and all that, you can also access them from this kind of store, or you can also get from the stores that sell salad ingredients. Most salad ingredient sellers sell all of these herbs and spices. You can get all these herbs that we usually use in our DIYs from these sellers. Just request for the kind of herbs that you want, and you will be surprised that they have exactly what you want. And you don't even need to be frequenting the market. You can just make contact with them and they also get to deliver to you. There are a lot of them, both decent ones that handle their ingredient very well, that package it very well, keep it clean and safe, and you can also get from those people. So yeah, marketplace, your local store, your local market around you is the right place where you can get your herbs, your spices, and all the ingredients you need for your DIY. So these are three places you can buy your ingredients from. You can buy from Instagram vendors, you can buy from the international stores, and you can buy from the local stores and markets around it. Actually, the number one should have been the marketplaces, because most of the time this is where I get some of the ingredients I use, and the ones I can't source from the marketplace, they are the ones I buy online. I buy almost every ingredient and herbs that I know I can get around me from the market, except luxury ingredients. I mean, ingredients that are not locally produced. I'm tagging them luxury now. Ingredients such as rosehip oil, hemp seed oil, hyaluronic acid, and a good number of them, I do not buy them from the market, because the chances that I may be buying product that is not up to 99% original is there. So here is the bonus tip. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Lagos, there are places you can buy from. You can buy from chemical store around Ojota. You can buy from Agege market. You can buy from Oyibo market. And I think you can also buy from Lagos main markets. These are places I know you can buy your natural ingredient from. You can also buy from trade fair. Trade fair sells, especially if you're buying oils, butters and all that, you can buy from trade fair as well. And if you're in Abuja, you can go to Wuse Market. You get ingredients from Wuse Market, especially herbs and spices like cloves, rosemary, black seed, fenugreek seed, flax seed. They are common in Abuja. In Wuse Market, the moment you're entering Wuse Market, you see a lot of these herbs in there. And if you're in Port Harcourt, there are a lot of places you can buy. Oil Mill Market, My One Market, a lot of places you can actually buy this ingredient from. If you're in Enugu, you can go to Ogbete Market, you can go to Afia 9. And if you're in the northern part of Nigeria, I mean, herbs and spices are very common in the north. You can literally see them around you. And if you're in other parts of Africa, I believe this kind of market that I just shared with you may be replicated around you, and a little question may lead you to the right place to buy your ingredients from. So Personally, what I do, especially if I'm new in a city, is to ask for their popular market, and then when I get there, or popular store, when I get there, I ask them to direct me to where they sell these herbs. The only thing is that they may have different names they refer to them. Like in my location, these herbal stores or places in the markets that they sell these herbs and spices are usually called either traditional stores, herbal stores, organic stores, and sometimes they refer to them as spiritual stores. But what these places or sections in the market may be called may be different depending on your location. So if they are not called herbal store, traditional stores, organic stores, or spiritual stores in your location, then let us know in the comment section what they are called, so we can help one another to source their ingredients for their DIYs. So I hope you find this video helpful, and also you are able to find the right place to buy your ingredient from. Like I said, if you're interested in buying in Instagram, especially if you're in Nigeria, let me know. I will share some of these vendors. I'll share their link in the comment section with you. And if you are outside Nigeria, Amazon and AliExpress may be your best bet. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope to see you in the next one, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I am already welcoming you into this channel, so click the next subscribe button and be part of this amazing community. Like this video, give this video a big like to support this channel, and share this video with your loved ones. And stay healthy, stay beautiful.